Tomás, here we are in historic downtown Yakima.
We are.
I'm excited to be here because it is kind of the epicenter of this area of agriculture, and I'm excited to learn about that, but also someone's hometown.
That's right, that's right.
So we're gonna hook up with a couple of Yakima experts, and they're gonna tell us more about the history and this beautiful city.
All right, let's go check it out.
In order to learn the history of Yakima, you have to talk about the beginning of the craft brewing industry. CEO of the Greater Yakima Chamber of Commerce, Kristi Foster, took me to a special place to learn about just that.
This is Front Street. This is the second oldest building here in Yakima.
It was at this building that Bert Grant opened one of the first pub breweries in America, all to celebrate fabulous Yakima hops.
Right behind us was the pub. He also brought the first pelletizer to the United States.
What is that?
It's a hop. It turns the hops into pellets.
Well, and we need that to happen, right?
Yes.
Next, we walked over to the old train depot where Bert Grant's story continued.
This is where Bert Grant moved after he left the location over here, and he opened the brewery on this side of the street.
So one time, though, there was beer here.
There was beer. With hops comes beer.
Yakima's history is tied closely to agriculture, and early agriculture couldn't succeed without the railroad. I'm talking with John Ball, the Director Emeritus of the Yakima Valley Museum.
We're actually walking on railroad tracks. There used to be railroad tracks. And these buildings to my right were used in the food processing industry. All the fruit would be brought in from all the orchards out in the surrounding area, and then it would be packaged and transshipped onto rail cars. But this is where it all started. This was really the hub of it.
We want to keep that history here in Yakima because it is so important for our community.
While Kristi's learning about Yakima's past, I'm learning about its future. Kurt Wilson, the director of the Downtown Association of Yakima, is working to revitalize Yakima, making it an even better place to live.
I'm the executive director of Main Street, so as part of a Main Street community, we're basically trying to do economic development. We're doing design projects that basically just show that we have life down here and that Yakima's moving forward. We're not looking back.
But still, they never forget our farmers and their importance to Yakima's past, present, and future.
This is our farmers market. We have anywhere from 50 to 75 vendors that take over the space. You know, obviously we're in farm country here, so we have a lot of small farmers. So it's a party down here every Sunday.
After a great time in Yakima, there's only one way to end the day. A toast at Schaub's Beer Den to the town that some call America's Fruit Basket, and I call home.
And this is kind of your local cheers bar and serving all those great local Yakima beers.
Well, thank you so much for the great tour.
Yeah.
Here's to Yakima.
Here's to Yakima.
Yeah.